A Tall Order, which will see its grand launch overseas very soon. So why not combine it with good food? And that's how we have the amalgamation of two victorious brands here this evening, lovely people. Kapil Patare, the exceptionally talented author who penned the success story with his book, A Tall Order, which was unveiled by the Sri Lankan legend, Mr. Sanath Jayasuriya, which has already entered the bestseller Hall of Fame, crossing 2,000 copies sold. Congratulations, dear! This truly calls for a great grand celebration. And of course, what we speak about Karan Tanna, the visionary entrepreneur who has created one of the fastest growing franchise management F&B brand in the world today, the Broster Chicken, people. And to speak a word about him, he's been featured in the Forbes 30 Under 30 as a youngster who holds the potential to be India's icons of tomorrow. So he's the most rocking. Congratulations to you as well, Karan Tanna. People, we believe, as I said, that we're all in a good mood and which has already been said. So now, it's time for us to meet these two gentlemen. The inspirational union between the two brings us for this celebration. So please put your hands together as we invite the author come rider. Yes, he's going to ride on his bike because he's a biker and rider too. Please put your hands together for entrepreneur and author Kapil Patare. Kapil, this is a rocking evening and you've been waiting for this, forever. And congratulations on 2,000 copies sold pan-India. Would you like to say something to everyone? All your loved ones are here and RJ Archana went on and she's super excited. Thank you so much, Archana.
Thank you, friends. So first of all, it's been a lovely evening today. You have come all the way. I know it's a weekday, it's a working day, but I was really surprised to see all of you sharp at 7, as Simran mentioned.
Woo!
This has been a passion for me, writing books. And although this is my second book, my first book, which was Cricket to Corporate, which was unveiled by Mr. Kiran More, the former Indian wicketkeeper. That was a learning experience for me. And it took about 6 years for me to write my first book. So I was like, writing book is not really an easy task, basically. So, but this particular second book of mine, A Tall Order, which says about last 25 years of Indian cricket, the top 10 cricketers who have served for our country, and they have lasted memories in our hearts, to name some, the legend Sachin Tendulkar. We have one Tendulkar over here as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Tendulkar, Dhoni, Yuvraj, Harbhajan, Zahir, Virendra Sehwag. So all of these have really earmarked the Indian cricket to a different level, and A Tall Order is all about their contribution to the Indian cricket team. I'm so happy that when I came to know from the publication that what's the criteria for the bestsellers. So yes, the criteria is quite high. We have to sell 10,000 books at least. So, but the Popular Prakashan, who is a publication house, they came out with a record. The record says that we have sold the 2,000 plus copies. So this is the entry level of my bestsellers book. So I'm really happy that I could keep up to the mark. This book was basically launched 6 months back, and it was dedicated to my late father. So I'm really happy and emotionally touched that his blessings has always taken up for me, and this book is going pan-India. Very shortly, I shall be launching this book in overseas. Maybe in next 15 days, the agreements will be signed, and I should be launching this book in London. So the London Publication House has already picked up the topic, and I'm traveling to London to watch India-Pakistan. Hopefully I can sign the agreement as well. इस बार तो पक्का दुगुना लगान वसूल करूँगा. Thank you very much, all of you, for coming over here.
Thank you so much. I need to mention this. Yes, he travels all across the world to watch cricket. And Kapil, it's been from Cricket to Corporate, your first book, and the second book, A Tall Order. And since you're going overseas, post-London also you have planned, something overseas. Can you tell us just a few more countries you plan to go?
I have been visiting many countries wherever the cricket has been played, more or less. I was there for the last 2015 World Cup in Australia as well, and New Zealand. So London is definitely one of the dream destination for me. Yes, 2019 World Cup is coming up in London. I have a plans right now to plan out and go over there. Definitely it will be one of my destination. Yeah, that's it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Well, Kapil is from the corporate world and the director of VIP Clothing Limited. Just to speak more formal about Kapil, yes, this is just the glamour and concern to author, of course, the serious author. But definitely talking more about him, he believes that every day is a celebration, and I live every day as if it's the last day, so I make the most out of it. So does that also mean that you sleep less?
Not really, not really.
No?
Not really, but I
I
really like to enjoy the day to the best of it, and every day should be taken as if it's your last day. So you should enjoy every day to the fullest 100% mark.
He also believes that, well, as every day is a celebration, to really give the best and always make people happy, and this is what he wanted. He mentioned it to Parul. Thank you, Parul, for having me here. My name is Simran Ahuja, people, and this is what he said. I just want to make my friends happy. I want to see them smile. I want to see them rocking. That's all I want, from this evening. Thank you so much, people. I heard some applauses in between. आप तालियां बजाना चाहते हो जब भी उनके लिए तो please बजाइए. Thank you so much. We love that. Well, we like to request you to be here with us, and the wondrous association of this lovely venue and the ambience. We truly love this. So can we have from the Genuine Roasted Chicken, the rocking and the very young and talented Mr. Karan Tanna. Hi Karan, आपने से expect नहीं किया होगा क्या है Mr. Karan Tanna, and कैसे लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर?
Yeah, Mr. is never expected. Everyone calls me Karan, even my company. But yeah, feels good. Indeed, a tall order, 2,000 copies in 6 months. Good synergies. I've actually done more than 200 stores, but this one is very, very special because this is India's fastest growing international brand ever in India's history. So there have been brands like McDonald's, Domino's, and many brands that we know. But this is one brand that we started in August, and in 8 months we have 14 stores, and there are 20 more in pipeline. We have grown from east to west, north to south. We have opened one in Guwahati. We are opening in Gangtok. We have stores in Hyderabad. A small connection is that his real sister, Mrs. Vanna, owns a store in Hyderabad, and she is our franchisee owner. So that's how we are connected to. So yeah, indeed an evening to celebrate his success, a little bit of our early success, and thank you all for being here.
Thank you. Just to speak formally on Karan Tanna, I call him Karan now. He's the founder and CEO of Yellow Tie Hospitality Management, LLP, well, who not just owns and believes in genuine roasted chicken, but it's an American casual dining place, and of course, he's responsible for the rapid growing outlets all across the country. And I need to ask you this one thing that, this is one of the very renowned international chains of F&B, the franchise that you have. So how is it? How does it feel? It's truly rocking here in Versova. How does it feel?
No. I mean, obviously it feels good because you are doing a good business, you are making money, your franchise owner is making money, the brand is growing. But what is very special is that we have started to pitch this brand, or we started pitching this brand as American Soul Indian Art. We have Chef Harpal Singh Soki on board with us. He has devised a special menu. We have things like lamb rogan josh burger, palak paneer burger. We have a gulkand muffin, which we are going to give you as a takeaway. Please warm it and have it with chai. You will definitely get addicted to it. It's orgasmic, the way I put it. We have chocolate samosa with mango ice cream. So indeed, it is fared really well. Yeah, we have chocolate samosa with mango ice cream in the menu too.
Takeaways, yes.
So yeah, feels nice. We have opened in Reclamation also, so people who are not staying around can come to our outlet in Reclamation, and we are opening soon in Todi Mills and in Vashi. So Bombay will have 5 of our stores. So yeah, thank you all for making it a early success.
I think these guys are waiting to give you the tall order. So I'm going to give you the cue sheets, yeah? You can have your orders. Packing the takeaway orders. Thank you so much. And we would also love to invite on, one more gentleman who owns this territory in Mumbai. That's the Genuine Roasted Chicken. Ladies and gentlemen, please a loud round of applause for Mr. Rahul Motwani. Can we please have you here, sir? Hi, sorry. You speak perfect. कैसे लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर? क्या ठीक आयो? Okay, wonderful.
No, he is actually a very special guy. They own this outlet. They are partners of Roster for Mumbai, and he is from Madhya Pradesh, and now they have moved to Mumbai, running a restaurant in Mumbai. If you are not from Mumbai, we all know how difficult it is. But you know, in spite of being from a well-to-do family, he still gives in 18 hours. And yeah, I think people like this, people like Mrs. Vanna, who owns our Hyderabad store, her son Karan, who is just 21, 22 years old, and they are very popular as mother-son duo. And they have outlet in a very upscale Jubilee Hills, so they have a lot of movie celebs going there and asking for mother-son duo to help them out. So yeah, people like this have made the brand successful. So yeah, here they are. I mean, they are our real heroes.
Thank you so much. Well, let's hear it for all the heroes here in the house, Mr. Kapil Patare, Mr. Rahul Motwani, and once again the last time, Mr. Karan Khanna. Thank you so much, lovely people. I did also love to thank our esteemed guests. Thank you so much for honoring us with your humble presence. Thank you each and every one of you for constantly giving me smiles from 7:20 onwards, and I've been taking a look and we've been glancing at each other. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. Thank you, designer Premal Badiani from New York, for being here with us. Where are you? Hi. So Premal is here. Thank you so much for honoring us with your humble presence. Ujjwala Rao, thank you for the answer as well. And of course, RJ Archana in the house. Thank you, Archana. We have DJ She's Wood. Thank you so much, DJ. Shweta Kanduri is here. Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you. Saru Mani, where is she? Saru, thank you. Lovely having you. Pragati Mehra. Pragati, where are you? And Shivani Kashyap. Thank you, friends, and thank you each and every one of you here in the house of the genuine roasted chicken.
So everyone here in this camera. So here. One second.
थैंक यू सो मच कि मेरे आने से म्यूज़िकल हो गया, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है। तो हम बुक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, टॉल ऑर्डर। आई आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट कपिल इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी रिलीजियस, वेरी डिवोटेड पर्सन, डिवोटेड टू हिज वर्क, एंड ही इज़ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर। लेकिन वो टाइम निकालते हैं अपने पैशन के लिए, अपनी इस टैलेंट के लिए, विच इज़ राइटिंग। एंड सो इट्स वंडरफुल टू सी कि 2000 कॉपीज़ बिक गई हैं, एंड वी सेलिब्रेटिंग इट विद फूड। दैट्स द बेस्ट वे ना, फूड के बिना तो ज़िंदगी नहीं है ना, life is incomplete. So this is a lovely joint called Broister's Chicken, and I think Karan Khanna की कहानी इतनी इंस्पायरिंग है कि इतने ही कम अरसे में उनके कुछ 200 आउटलेट पूरे इंडिया में खुल गए हैं। That's fabulous. So yes, I like chicken more than mutton, to be honest with you. So yeah, I am a chickenitarian. I do eat chicken and fish. So if it's cooked well तो और भी मज़ा आ जाता है। वैसे तो मैं पंजाबी हूँ, तो बटर चिकन इज़ लाइक टॉपिंग द लिस्ट। बट आज मैं यहाँ पे चेकआउट करने वाली हूँ कि क्या क्या उन्होंने किस टाइप के कॉम्बिनेशंस बनाए हैं चिकन के। आई एम अ कंप्लीट बुकवर्म। अगर मैं अपने गिटार नहीं बजा रही होती और गा नहीं रही थी स्टेज पे, तो मैं बुक्स पढ़ रही होती हूँ। तो आई लव बुक्स। यहाँ बस अभी 3 दिन पहले मेरा एक नया सिंगल रिलीज़ हुआ है, 24 Hours Irresponsible। ये एक इंटरनेशनल सिंगल है, इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन है विद द बैंड बिग माउंटेन, जिनका एक बहुत फेमस गाना है ओ बेबी आई लव योर वे। सो माई सॉन्ग 24 Hours Irresponsible हैज़ जस्ट क्रॉस्ड अबाउट 52,000 views and likes, and Honey Singh has also tweeted about it, and all the industry was there to launch this song. So I'm really happy because independent music को लेके मेरी एक वो है, एक रेवोल्यूशन चल रही है। बट ऑफ कोर्स एक बहुत ही बड़ा गाना आने वाला है इसके बाद हम बॉलीवुड की तरफ जाएंगे। आई कांट अनाउंस द नेम ऑफ द फिल्म, बट इट्स अ बिग सॉन्ग कमिंग अप बहुत जल्दी। विल बी सीइंग इट सून।